Come in. Guys, come in.
I'm at the spot you told me about, but none of these aliens are Justin.
Steve, do you read me? Steve.
I, can barely read anything, let alone another puppet.
Yeah. No, I mean, never mind.
Where are you, Andy?
I'm trapped in, like, an office or something. I need help.
Oh no!
Roger that. I'm on my way.
Oi.
Your name's Roger?
What?
Aw, I've been calling him Mr. DeMaio. I feel like a dum-dum.
I think they're on to me too. I heard a bunch of voices coming from this room, and it said Dan Gurham on it.
What?
I don't know who that is, but he's got a sweet name.
Aw, Danny Gurr? I went to high school with him. I'm pretty sure he was born with one pinky toe.
What?
So what even is this place?
Steve says that it's Area 51, a super secret base that's said to house aliens. And if Justin's gonna be anywhere, it has to be here.
So who decided to put a base in the middle of nowhere? And why would they put aliens here?
Yeah.
Well, in order to know that, we need to learn
Do it quietly. They're on to us.
the history of Area 51.
In Nevada, about 120 miles northwest of Las Vegas, lies an unmarked dirt road. Although no buildings are visible from afar, this dirt track leads to a dried-up body of water known as Groom Lake, or Homey Airport. This area is a detachment, or part, of Edwards Air Force Base and was built in 1955 as a part of the much larger Nevada Test and Training Range complex. But this road also leads to a highly classified United States Air Force facility, sometimes called Paradise Ranch, Dreamland, or Watertown, but all know it as Area 51. Before World War II, the area near Groom Lake was used for silver and lead mining, but once the war started, the military took over this area and began conducting nuclear research and testing weapons. Area 51 was created during the Cold War between the US and the Soviet Union and was intended to be a testing and development facility for secret spy aircrafts. It was chosen because of its remote location, being so far and secluded from people. Many super secret planes were developed there, including the U-2 plane, which could fly above radar detectors, and the A-12 plane, a structure made of titanium that is undetectable by radar. It opened in 1955, but for years was kept a secret, and it wasn't officially acknowledged by the CIA until August 2013. Why this area was named Area 51 isn't exactly known, but diagrams from the 1960s refer to it as this, and it's thought that this number was used by the Atomic Energy Commission in its grid naming system for the land. It's thought that this name was given by this commission because they would often assign numbers to places when using a map.
"3 minutes in and no mention of aliens.
Yeah.
Are you sure Justin's here?
He has to be. This is like the alien capital of the world. Let's check in with Steve. Steve, are you there?
Dan Gurr? Is that you? Is it true you only have one pinky toe?
What?
No, it's not Dan Gurr. Listen, are you 100% sure that this place is Area 51?
Hold on, let me check. Yep, 100%.
No.
That's weird. You would think that Justin would have to be here.
But why here? What does this place have to do with aliens?
Well, there are actually quite a few reasons.
Area 51 is what is called a no-fly zone. This means that no planes or drones are permitted to fly over it. Visiting Area 51 is also forbidden, as it's heavily guarded by armed military personnel, and the closest people can get to it is 15 miles away. Because of this, many rumors have spread about Area 51's purpose. Many speculate that Area 51 houses crashed alien spacecrafts from Roswell, New Mexico, another site famous for its potential aliens. It's rumored that these crashed unidentified flying objects, or UFOs, were brought to Area 51 as a means to test and study them. Many also believe that the pilots of these ships, or aliens from other worlds, are being kept within Area 51. But the rumors of Area 51's involvement with aliens goes a bit further. A lot of this alien talk started in 1989 after a man claiming to have worked there gave an interview with a Las Vegas news station. He claimed that Area 51 housed and studied alien spacecrafts, and his job was to recreate their technology for the US military. His background was eventually disproven, but the rumors of the aliens remained. But being that secret aircrafts were actually being tested here, it is believed that locals and visitors saw these strange ships flying and believed that the only explanation for them was that they were aliens. However, there have been no confirmed sightings of otherworldly flying saucers or aliens at Area 51 to this date. Although there isn't much information available, it's believed that the US military continues to use Area 51 to develop new, advanced aircrafts and drones. It is believed that about 1,500 people work there.
I can't believe we came all this way and didn't see one alien.
I'm sorry, guys.
Hey, any chance you know how to get to Albuquerque?
Of course! You're gonna head 13 miles west?
Wait a second. The door with Dan Gurr on it. I heard voices coming from behind it.
What about it?
Maybe that's where Justin is.
Well, what are you waiting for? Go and check.
Andy, I think I found Justin.
Hello. Did you meet my friend Dan Gurr?
Hey guys, thanks for watching. So what do you think? Are aliens real? Is Area 51 housing super secret space creatures? And if the aliens are real, do you think they look like Justin? Comment below to let me know. That rhymed. And if you dig my channel, please contribute to my Patreon. All contributions go towards helping me make more videos for you guys, so if you can, please consider joining and helping out. There's a link in the description box. But special thanks to my current patrons on Patreon. They picked this topic for me to cover and got to see this video a full 2 weeks earlier than everyone else. So thank you to them, especially Xavier Freeze, Millie Fennel, JJ Schmidt, Connor Higgins, Ronan, Oshi, Lizzie Dean and Trevor, Rebecca Beanie, Alexander, Julian and David, GC, Virginia and Harrison Way, Benjamin M, The Gowdy Bros and Mabsy, Julian Jackson and Jacob, Connor Lecoq and family, Sophie and Remy Keffer, John Arthur, Gavin Meidel, Miller Daniel and his mom Jennifer, Sammy Osif, Frederico and MJ, Mabel and Graham, Zane and Asher Davis, Lava Liam, Evan Lee, Jaden, Danny and Beeks, Kuchan 115, Jakey Jake, Elias Mark Turner, Ada S, Daniel Apatre, Callum G, Harper Benson, Julian and Joseph Pierce, Edward, Mr. Fast, and Mr. Red, Christopher F., Mrs. Brown's first grade, Ellie Moon and Noah Orion, Asher Evans, Connor and Emma B., Gavin and Ian Eshtay, the Levinson family, Sunshine Sparkle and the Pups, Bert, Kate, Ross, Lindy, and Pepper, Maddie and James, Lucas Willette and family, the Rivard boys, Ben and Ollie, Chris the Megalodon, Marley and Lennon Kimsey, Catalina Ryan from Dublin, Ireland, Erickson and Alexander L., Nathan and Ava C., Jordana and Aaron, Dominic McAvee, Lily, Annabelle, Thomas and Everett, Sam and Eddie from London, Solomon Caldwell and Asa Caldwell, Ronan X and Raiden Z, Charles and Olivia, Stephen McPhee, Carter, Levi and Fletcher Crawford, Jameson, Nolan and Lily, Max and Kaz, Paisley, Hanalei, Whitney and Brian, Max from Southall, Wesley C., the Puffin Boys, Madison Hard, Emma and Lincoln, Jasper Saurus Rex, Gavin and Hayden Huggin, Zyla, Luke Raposa, Creative Devon and Zach T, Victor B. from Canada, Elijah Robert, Liam and Evelina, Riker Smith, Philip and Anna Buckley, Burning Wick, Henry Pavelko, Phoenix Cooley, Toothless and Light Fury, Max C, Mika, Jordan and Maya, and Charlie Stone. Do you want to get your name in a video too? Well, visit patreon.com/Mr. DeMaio. If you sign up, you get your name in a video. You get to see my videos early. You can help me pick my next topic and more. Check the description box for a link.